Okay, this is the day before the storm. You can see how much snow we have left from the storm last Saturday. We probably have about a foot of snow in some places. In some places there is less. I'm gonna be driving work, and I'll show you how the roads are like. It's pretty clean right now. Um, so here we go. I'm driving to work, and as you can see, it's pretty clean. Where we have clean. By the way, this is Bridgeport, Pennsylvania. And now I'm in the park. You can see there is about maybe 15 inches of snow in the ground. Last Saturday we have about 27 inch. So right now it's about 8 o'clock at night. The storm started about 2 hours ago. It's Tuesday, and we already have about an inch of snow. It's a different kind of snow. It's kind of sloppy snow, kind of wet snow. I'm driving home from work, and the roads are a little bit slippery. You gotta be careful when you push the brakes. Don't push the brakes.
In order to get good information from their pediatricians.
We are driving through Norristown, Pennsylvania. This is Bridgeport, Pennsylvania, and that's how the roads look like now. Very different than this morning.
With the thought that it's temporary until they can get
Okay.
back on their feet. And one of the
They
things that
are
we don't
talking
wanna
about. This is Chico. This is my dog, and we are watching outside. And there it is. It's about 10 o'clock at night. The snow is coming. Now it's next day, about 2 o'clock p.m. Wednesday, day of the storm. There's people having fun. There is no reason to clean. The sidewalks is just too much snow coming down. There will be snow coming down all day and all night. The snow emergency has been extended until tomorrow afternoon, most of this Philadelphia area. This is how the sidewalk looks like. Now it's about 7 p.m. Wednesday, and there you can see how much snow is in the ground. I think we have about 13 inches of snow since the snow started. More than a foot, I'm sure. That's the roof of the church. Snow is sliding down to the sides, the sidewalk. You can see how much snow is being piled over there. And that's how it looks like. We're gonna keep watching outside, but the snow is gonna continue until probably 1 o'clock in the morning of Thursday. So tomorrow there is no school or work tomorrow in the Philadelphia area.